Hello everybody, how are you? I am Norez and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is describe the type of adjustments that would be made a patient's accounts for the following four use stations. Option 1 NSF non-sufficient fund check. Option 2 collection agency. Option 3 transactions credit balance. Option 4 third party. The correct answer of the question is NSF non-sufficient funds check adjustment type bad debit expense. Explanations: when patient check bonus due to non-sufficient funds, it represents a loss for healthcare's entity. The uncollectible amount is the typically written of as a bad debit expense. Collection agency adjustment type transfer to collection agency. Explanation: when account is turned over to collection agency, the healthcare entity may make adjustment to reflect the transfer. This involves removing amount for a receivable, recognize the involvement of a third party collection agency. Transaction credit balance adjustment type of refund and adjustment. Explanations: the patient has a credit balance or the care account due to overpayments or other reasons. The healthcare entity may issue refund or the make adjustment to correct a balance. This ensures that the patient is not overcharged. The third party adjustment or right of explanation in case where a third party such as insurance company covers the portions of the patient bill. Adjustments are made to reflect the correct amount. However, the patient is involved in reducing the patient's responsibility or writings for a portion that the third party covers. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.